Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can simply go ahead and check Discord user last online. So yes, if you want to do so, first of all just go to your mobile's Discord app, simply go ahead, open it up. So you will see this kind of interface, right? So if that person has turned on this invisible mode, as I have also turned this on, then you won't be able to know, right? So if you want to know if that person was when last online here in your Discord, what you gotta do is you can simply go ahead, go to any of the available, you can simply go here and you can simply tap on this invite. So yes, if I tap on this human icon, if I tap on it, then I will be able to say this how many peoples are online right there, right? So if I want to know the person that is in my Discord is online or not, what I gotta do is simply tap on this invite, and then I will send this invite link to that person, and if that person accepts and joins the particular that I suggested, that I send the invite request, and then if I tap on, then if I go ahead and tap on this icon, that person will definitely be shown here in this list of people where that person will be online regardless of what they have turned their status to. So yes guys, this is the only sneaky way you can know about it, and I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.